Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the static keyword in Java. So what all do you know about the keyword static? Static can be 1. Variable known as class variable, method known as class method, 3. A block, 4. A nested class. Understanding the Java static variable. There can be common properties of objects. Let us suppose an employee object where all the employees work in MNC company. Then we would be writing the Java code as class employee, int employee ID, string name, static string employer equals MNC company. Now if there are 1000 employees in the MNC company, then all the data members will get memory each time when an employee object would be created. But in this class, the property employer refers to common properties of objects, so that's why we have made the variable static. So if we can make the property static, then this field will get memory only once, and that belongs to the class area. Few points to note. Static variable gets memory only once in the class area at time of class loading, thus more memory efficient. All objects share this property. So we would be trying to understand this with the help of an example. Class employee, int employee ID, string name, static string employer, followed by a constructor, followed by a main method. Now in the main method we would be creating an instance of an object, E1. So we would be trying to understand this with the help of a pictorial view. Here's the stack memory. E1 gets inside it. This is the heap memory. The object gets stored inside this one. Now the static string employer resides in the class area. We create another object, E2. The same thing happens. So just wanted to show you the pictorial representation of it. Alright, so moving on to the next slide. Understanding the Java static method. A static method always belongs to the class instead of the object of the class. While invoking a static method, it does not require an instance of the class. Static method can access static data fields and can change its value. Understanding static method with the help of an example. Class employee, int employee ID, string name, static string employer equals MNC company, followed by a constructor. Now we would be writing a static method which can update the value of the static string employer. Public static void main employee dot switch company, employee E1 equals new employee, employee E2 equals new employee. Since initially we are calling the switch company method, so the value would be altered to ABC company. Lessons learned. Static method can be called directly with the class name. Static method has access to static fields and can update them, but static method cannot use non-static method or member directly. This and super keywords cannot be used in static context. Understanding the Java static block. The Java static block is used to initialize the static data members. The Java static block is always executed before the main method at the time of class loading. Understanding static block with the help of an example. Class my class. Now writing the static block. In sysout we have written static block first gets executed, because this would be the first block that will be getting executed even before the main method. So we are writing the main method over here, then we are putting a system out print line. So the output of this would be the static block would get first printed, then the main method would get executed. Ready for some interview questions? Let's see what questions can be asked from static context. Where a static variable is stored. A static variable is stored in the class area. How this and super can be used in static context. This and super keywords cannot be used in static contexts. What is the order of execution of a static block in presence of the main method? A static block is always executed before the main method is invoked. Why main method is static? If main method was not static, then JVM would have to create the object first to call the main method. This would have led to extra memory allocation. So main method is static. What is static import? While importing, if we use static keyword, then it allows access to any static members of the class directly. Then less coding is required when static members are called often. Give an example of static import. Import static java.lang.system.star. Class my static class. Public static void main string a out.println. Hey, so notice over here we are not using system.out.println. Instead of that we are using out.println because we have made use of static import. Out.println u. So that's it. So that's all for today, guys. Confidence should be this high. Thanks for watching our video, and if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. We would be coming up with more updates. Thanks for watching.